Hey everybody, it's Raphael, and so what I'm doing today is Jesse and I, he's behind the camera.
Hello.
We're actually driving out to Fort Stockton. We did the trip, we're on our way back, but the purpose of it was that I really wanted to see what the terrain would be like along the journey, and you can't really understand that if I sit there and look at Google and look at the map all the time. When you get there, when you start driving and you start seeing all of this, then you start getting a real feel for the climbs, the wind conditions, the distance between places where there's going to be supplies needed. So that's what we're doing today, or for I think 3 days. 3 days, Jesse? Yeah, 3 days. So it took us about 3 days. Saw a lot of really neat stuff, and it is amazing in how big the southwestern desert in the U.S. is. I think we drove about 1,000 miles and nothing but desert. So that's interesting. I'll keep following up with everyone, and yeah, that's about it.